Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. First college is Christian College of Engineering and Technology, Odan Chatram. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in civil, computer science, IT, electronics communication, electrical electronics, mechanical, agriculture, then AI and DS, artificial intelligence, machine learning, physics, chemistry, and math. Qualification required: if you have bachelor, masters, and PhD with first class in all preceding degree, you can apply. Experience required for assistant professor, minimum 5 years; associate professor, minimum 5 years of experience, of which 2 years post PhD; professor, minimum 10 years, and along with 5 years at the level of associate professor. um, how you can apply mode is email, and you have to send your application with a scanned copy of all necessary certificate and passport size photograph to this email id, principal at the rate of christianengineering.in. Send and mention in subject also which department you are applying for, which post. Next you can see here. College name is not given. Mala Reddy Engineering College. Mala Reddy Engineering College, they have vacancy for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor for department CSE, CSCDA, CSEIML, IT, MBA, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, English. For this Math, Physics, Chemistry, and English, PhD or NET or TSET qualified candidate can apply. Candidate profile have good towards work, knowledge in OV concept is desirable, experience in autonomous institution is desirable. They have walk-in interview from 15th of May to 17th May, timing 9:30 to 5 p.m. You have to fill this Google form before appearing for interview. Document you have to take: there is one set of CV and photocopy of all relevant certificate, passport size photograph, Aadhaar and PAN card, along with your all original certificate also. This is the postal address. You go and attend the interview. They have also given contact number. You can contact on that number also. Next vacancy, Amrita College of Engineering and Technology. They have vacancies for assistant professor for department electrical electronics. Qualification required: ME with first class. Experience, minimum 2 years experience required. Job location Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu. Last date 25th May. By email or postal you can apply. This is the email address: academic director at the rate of amrita.edu.in, and this is the postal address. You can send your resume by post also. Next vacancy, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology, Chittoor. They have vacancies for assistant professor, associate professor, and professor for departments CSE, CSC, AIML, and data science and cyber security, along with IoT. Humanity and applied sciences, they have vacancies for math, physics, chemistry, physics, and English, along with some engineering core departments like IT, Triple E, EC, ME, Civil, MBA, MCA, Aptitude Trainer. Qualification required for assistant professor, BTech first class and MTech first class. For assistant professor in mathematics and chemistry, physics, English, BSc first class and MSc first class. Eligibility: candidate with prior experience, having good research experience and able to make frequent publication, proper relieving from previous institution, and ready to join immediately. You have to carry all the original certificate, salary in accordance with experience and qualification, salary as per qualification experience, online application, eligibility of candidature. Interested and eligible candidate must send their resume along with all certificate to following address. This is the email address: hr at the rate of sbcetedu.org. This is the venue, and contact number you can contact on this also. So you send your resume along with all certificate to hr at the rate of sbcetedu.org. Next vacancy, Dani Samad Institute of Technology. There are vacancies for assistant professor, associate professor, and professor level for department. These are the departments. They have vacancies. You can see computer science engineering, biomedical engineering, electronics communication, food technology, robotics and automation, dean position for academic coordinator, research coordinator with relevant experience, placement director with field experience or essential, non-teaching post like residential, physical director, two position, librarian, lab technician, boys and ladies hostel deputy warden, DTP. Uh, Mandatory requirement have good communication and leadership skill, core departmental knowledge essential, good salary package for deserving candidate, having experience in NAC, NBA or autonomous knowledge essential, job location Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, apply mode careers at the rate of danishcollege.edu.danishcollege.in. Application submission last date 20th May, tentative interview 26th May, and this is the contact number you can contact on this number also. Next vacancy JNN Institute of Engineering Tiruvallur. They have vacancies for HOD, professor, associate professor, and assistant professor, lab assistant, soft skill trainer, professor of practice. For this department, B computer science, B Tech, AINDS, B CSC, cyber security, then BECE, BE Biomedical, DIN Academic Research Training, Training and Placement, along with BE Electronics Engineering for VLSI Design and Technology. Uh, then Lab Assistant and Professor of Practice. Lab Assistant for all diploma departments like ME, CSC, BME, EC, BSc Physics, BSc Chemistry, and plus two complemented talented candidate. Professor of Practice also. Pay scale negotiable based on experience and qualification. Incentive, they also provide you for publication and projects, consultancy, financial incentive for paper publication, patent, financial assistance for participation in conferences, encouragement for collaborative research or pursuing PhD, job location Chennai, Tamil Nadu, experience, previous teaching experience preferable. You have to send your resume to this email address careers at the rate of jnn.edu.in. This is the college address. You if you will shortlist, then go and attend the interview on this address. Next vacancy, NPR College of Engineering and Technology. The vacancies for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor, director, physical education, both male and female, deputy warden, girls hostel, system admin, for departments CSC, IT, AINDS, MBA, English, Maths, and Chemistry. Qualification required as per AICT and UGC norms. Job location Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. Apply mode email and post. Qualified and eligible candidate have sent resume along with supporting document by email or postal within 7 days from date of advertisement. This is the email address and this is the contact number. Read letter. That is address. Next I can see Somani Institute of Technology, Rewadi. They have vacancies for associate professor, assistant professor, librarian, clerk, lab technician, accountant, and admission counselor for department CSC, EC, printing technology, mechanical, MBA, BBA, and BCA. Apply mode by email and walk in also on 11th May. I think that is already crossed. You can send your resume and after that they will call you also if they have vacancy arises. This is the email ID Somani College Recruitment 1 at the rate of gmail.com. You have to send your application with the scanned copy of all necessary certificate and passport size photograph to this address. Next vacancy A1 Global Institute of Engineering and Technology. The vacancies for associate professor and assistant professor for department CSC, EC, electrical electronics, humanity and science for physics, chemistry and mathematics, MBA, MCOM. Qualification required BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MBA. Uh, Candidate profile, candidate must have good communication skill, job location Andhra Pradesh, pay scale based on qualification and experience. This is the email ID staff recruitment 999 at the rate of gmail.com. You have to send your application form with copy of all qualification and experience certificate and passport size photograph along with PAN card xerox and Aadhaar card xerox to this email ID. Next vacancy, Weldtech offers Weldtech College. There are vacancies for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor for regular vacancies for department CSC and IT. Qualification ME MTech with PhD concerned in relevant branch of engineering. Candidate must have submitted their PhD thesis. Can also apply. Job location Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Salary may be ranges from 1 lakh to 1.6 lakh, 1 lakh for fresh PhD holder, based on qualification, experience, quality publication, and involvement in funded project. Additionally, PhD holders from IIT, NIT, Central University are eligible for additional compensation. Apply mode email. Interested and eligible candidate may send your CV and photograph to this email ID hrd@weltec.edu.in. Next vacancy. This is Rajdhani Institute of Science and Technology, Palakkad. The vacancy is for assistant professor for mechanical department. Qualification required MTech and PhD in ME, a specialization in manufacturing. Experience 2+ years teaching or research experience. Uh, Candidate profile, brief CV with copy of education and experience certificate. Job location Rajdhani Institute of Science and Technology, post Mankara, Kannam Pariam, Palagad. Apply mode email. This is the email ID hr@rajdhanimail.com or supdt@risk.edu.in or pro@rist.edu.in. You send your resume to this address. Next vacancy, Oasis Institute of Technology. It is in Trichy. There are vacancies for various department for assistant professor, ECE, Triple E, CSE, MBA, AIDS, AIML, IT, and CSBS. Candidate have 3 to 10 years of experience in ECE department as assistant professor from engineering college only. Apply mode email, face to face interview. Last date 17th May. Email address arundeva.b@oasis.co. You have to send your resume before 17th May 2024. Next vacancy, Solamalai College of Engineering and Technology. They have vacancies for the departments ECE, Triple E, then mechanical, CSE, AIDS. Job title assistant professor, associate professor, and professor. Uh, Expected qualification PhD degree in relevant field and first class or equivalent at bachelor's and master's, and at least 6 total research publication in SCI, SCIE, UGC or AICTE approved list of journals. Uh, Experience, the minimum of 2 to 5 years of experience in teaching or research or industry, out of which at least 2 years shall be post PhD. It is for associate professor, this experience required. For professor also maybe this is 10 years, uh, 10 years of research experience. So how you can apply mode email, you have to send a resume before 20th May to this email ID jobs.institution@gmail.com. Next vacancy, Adi Parasakti Engineering College. There are vacancies for professor, assistant professor in the department CSC, IT, AI, and ML. Qualification required ME, MTech, or PhD. Uh, Job location Maru Vatar, Tamil Nadu. Pay scale as per ICT norms. Apply mode email. This is the email address for individual department. They had separate email ID. You send your resume on that email ID. This is email ID, and this is the address. You, if you will call for interview, then you go to this address. So that's all about today's updates. If you are visiting my channel first time, then subscribe it for all latest PhD admission updates, faculty updates, or job vacancies. Subscribe channel, then share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.